Good morning. It is November 2nd and I am really excited about this new month. Let's talk about November and everything that it stands for. My birthday, Thanksgiving. All the pretty girls are born in November. Not even November, but the holidays. I'm super excited that the holidays are coming up. I'm gonna be doing so many videos. But for today, y'all coming along with me. We're doing a productive day in my life. Let's be very productive. There's not much to do. I do have to go to the post office. I don't feel good. My body literally does not feel good. So doing all of this right now is going to be a struggle, but I need to grab a box, some tape, print out my label, grab what I'm shipping out, and then run to the post office real quick. Before we start this video, make sure you click that subscribe button and like this video. And now on to the video. What I want to do today is go to the post office right now, drop these pants off really quick. I look like a hobo. Come back, clean my whole room. After that, I'm gonna be so bored. What do I have to do? I might study because I know I have to study. I will literally text my professor all the time and does he respond? You know what? I'm getting very mad. I don't school, bro. You guys know I look so ugly. And my accent is like super strong today. I hear it. Is that a sponge? She found a sponge somewhere. And imagine having kids. No, ma'am. Anyway, so these are the pants that somebody purchased on Depop. Japanese cargos. Super cute. I could have very much just done this. I'm gonna go ahead and print out the label right now. My brain farts way too often. I got the shipping label. And this is really what I like about Depop because they provide it for you. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. I need to wear sweats and a big sweatshirt. I don't even know where I put my AirPods last, which I'm very upset about. But let me go ahead and drop this off. Yeah, let's get the f on to the post office. I'm so hungry. But I need to stop spending money. I literally just bought sneakers. For what reason? No reason. I just bought my mom a gift for her birthday. Guys, I'm gonna show you my new sneakers. Shein haul. I'm doing a Shein haul. I really want food, but I don't want to get it. But I have funfetti pancakes at the crib. I'm gonna make that. But my sister's like sleeping on the couch. Okay, I'll see you when we get home. We're back. Okay, alright guys. We're gonna clean this monstrosity. So this is the before, this is the before, this is the before. Should we time lapse this? Let's motherfucking do it. So guys, let's sit. Let's talk for a while. It's chilly today. I'm about to throw on the sweater and blow the f out. So what I want to do, so this is where the procrastination hits. What I want to do is go downstairs and make funfetti pancakes because I want that right now. They're sweet, buttery, very good. But does anyone else want to crack their neck in public but they just don't? Like, I want to be like all the time. I just don't because I know people would be like, I just want to be appreciated. I have to do laundry so bad. I'm literally about to go take it. Isn't it crazy that we don't have the technology we thought we would have? Like, we deadass thought we would have flying cars by now. I'm not gonna lie, the hoverboard had it. The new Facebook is about to be crazy. VR is cool, but VR didn't catch on. What do you guys think about the new Facebook? I should go down and make pancakes, huh? But then I want to get ready and do my Shein haul. I have a Shein package. Looks amazingly delicious, and they smell just like Zeppelin's. The mixture is literally cake batter. It's so good. And then I just have cranberry right here, my favorite juice. I'm trying to pick out a movie. I'm watching the Titanic. Bye guys, see you later. No, seriously. I am currently getting ready to film another video. So here's a time lapse of me getting ready for this video per se and filming this video. After filming, I decided I wanted to unwind a little and just relax in my bed, watch my favorite show, go on my phone, and take the time to really clear my head. So I did end up eating dinner pretty late this night, but it was so good. I just had pumpkin puree with some sauteed onions and some fried cheese. It's a Dominican thing, so if you know, you know, and if you don't, then you don't. But it was so good, and yeah. Finally come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, do not leave without subscribing. Click that bell button so you guys can notified every time I upload a brand new video. And also follow me on my Instagram so y'all can keep up, because that's where I post all my fits. So follow me on Instagram at Chanel Noel. Follow me on my Twitter at Real Chanel Noel. Thank you guys so much for watching.